outlet here today. It's going to be replacing today. Looking closer at the side here, this is a switched outlet. You see on the side here, the little tabs on the side there are broken apart. See, the new one comes with the tab all together. What we need to do is break away that breakaway tab, and that's only on the hot side. What I'm going to do is turn off the power to the unit. I'm just going to turn off all the breakers just to be safe. This way, for sure, we've got no current going through there. And I also have my circuit alert device. We're good there. Now you want to prove these at a known good outlet before you use it. Okay. This one, usually slice through these with a razor blade, but I was able to, since that one was pretty much broken off already. And setting this up for a switched outlet where one half of the outlet is on a switch, the neutral wire does not need to be broken apart, the breakaway tab, just the hot side. But with these, you're usually mimicking exactly what you're seeing. It's just something you want to make sure to watch for. Okay, now we'll just mimic everything the way that we see it. Use my Leatherman here to release the tabs. These two ones are going to the bottom outlet. This one up to the top. If I have a lot of room on the ground, I'll just cut the ground off. I'm just making a new post going with the turn of the thread, the turn of the screw. So here we go. And hook up our ground wire to the screw right here. Here, our smoke alarm chirp as the power's out. It doesn't like to be without the power. And on this bottom neutral, it's really straightforward. It's just going to get plugged into the quick plug. But on this side, we're going to need to link one of them to the screw, and one of them can go to the quick plug. Okay. And before we get too far, we're going to want to break our breakaway tab, mimicking the old one. So we just bend this back and forth until it gets work hardened. It snaps right off, separating the two halves of the outlet. So on this one, we're going to turn it so it's going the same direction as the screw, so that as the screw tightens, it draws the wire into itself rather than pushing it out or pushing it off. And then this red is our switched hot, so it's going to go to our top. There we go. Get the neutral on the top. We're all set there. Just going to kind of clean out this box a tiny bit. Fold our wires in nice and neat. Put our new outlet in, adjust it so it's nice and level, nice and even in the box. And now we'll adjust it again so it's nice and level, nice and even. And get it nice and flush with the face. There we go. Now our cover. That's pretty good. And this particular outlet cover is an unbreakable nylon, which is kind of nice. You don't have to worry about breaking the screws. Some of them, I like to set these vertical, but some of them you have to be more careful about not tightening down the set screw too tight, otherwise it'll snap it. So I'm going to turn my power back on, turn the breakers all back on. So we'll turn all the breakers back on here. Okay. And now we'll go check our outlet. So we got hot on top, hot on bottom. Now we'll switch our switch over here. And no hot on top, but hot on bottom. So we're good to go there. Switch our switch back on, and we're hot on top. Here we go. And just to make our switch a little bit nicer, I got some, looks like someone got some paint on the outlet cover. I can clean that off, but also just set these nice and vertical so everything's looking more even. Good to go there. Yep, my towel couldn't take care of it. Nice and easy. Make it nice. Good to go. Nice new outlet.